Here's a step-by-step process to share your Fiverr profile link. Click on the Fiverr website link and sign into your account. You may choose any of the following options, but for me, I'm going to click on Continue with Google. I'll enter my email to log in. And then once you're logged in, click on your profile picture located at the top right corner of the screen. Click on your profile picture and click on Profile from the drop-down menu. The top URL on the page is your Fiverr profile link. Copy the link. You can share this link with your buyer and they can view all your gigs in your entire Fiverr profile. You can use a link shortener such as bit.ly to shorten your Fiverr profile link to make it more presentable. Submit the short Fiverr profile link to your buyer. And that's it. Remember to optimize and engage your Fiverr profile to make a good impression on potential buyers. If you found this video helpful, click like and subscribe.